In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect the Willow app to your television. You need to ensure that your smart television and your mobile device are both connected to the same wireless internet network. This is the most important step because the devices must communicate with each other for the connection to work correctly. Log into your account and select the live match or highlight video that you want to watch. As the video starts playing, look for the small rectangular casting icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your video player. When you tap that icon, a list of available devices will appear on your screen. Select your television from that list. Within a few moments, the Willow logo should appear on your TV and the video will begin streaming. If you are using an Apple device and an AirPlay-compatible television, the process is very similar, but you will select the AirPlay icon instead. If your television is not a smart TV, you can still do this by plugging in a streaming stick like a Roku or a Chromecast. It really is that easy to bring the game home.